Welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some easy ways to decorate your plate using the salad. So take the cucumber and cut it like this from the top and arrange them. Now put the small tomatoes over it like this. Now in the between we will take the oranges and cut it from the between like this. Cut the slices carefully. Now you have to arrange them on the plate like this one by one around the cucumber like this. Now after you're done with it in the between, we will take the cucumber and remove its slice like this and make the flour out of it. Cut it very carefully. Now fold it like this and arrange them in the between. Now take the carrot and peel the leaves like this out of it. Now peel it. After we have to arrange them and make the flour out of it. So cut it like this using the cutter. You can get this cutter easily in the market. Now after cutting it out, you will make the flour out of it after rolling it and then put it in the between like this and your flour will be ready. Now you can further decorate it by putting some more tomatoes in the between like this and it's ready. Next, over the plate, we'll be making a cute bow. So to make the sides of it, make a heart-like shape using the cucumber like this. Cut it and put it on the sides. Now put the beetroot over it after cutting it. Now in the between, we will be making its roll. So take a piece of beetroot and fold it like this. Now put it in the between. Now take another piece of beetroot and cut it into slices like this. Now give it a shape on the sides by cutting it like this. So cut it from the ends and put it like this. And your bow will be ready. Next, we'll be taking the strawberry and cut it into half like this and arrange them in the plate. Cut them into thin slices as well and then spread it little bit like this and then put it on the top of like and spread it. Next, we'll be taking the pomegranate seeds like this and arrange them in the plate as shown in the video. Now put the wings on the side. So here we're making a fish. Now take the cucumber and take its peel. Now fold it and put it on the sides of the plate like this. Now take another slices of cucumber like this and then roll it as shown in the video. Fold it carefully and then we have to arrange it in the between like this. Put a tomato in the between and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the palette and then take this fruit and cut it like this in the circular shape and then put it in the between. Now we will take the cucumber and remove its peel using this sharpener like this. Now after that we will fold it and arrange them in the shape of a flower on the sides of it. So now roll it very carefully. Do not break it from the between. Now after rolling it, we will put it in the between after like this. Fold it carefully and put it. Now after that we will take the carrot and then pull out its peel. Now you can use other thing as well. So here we have taken, instead of carrot, we have taken cucumber peel. Put a tomato in the between and it's ready. We'll be taking the tomatoes and then cut it from the sides. Now take the lady finger and cut them into two pieces and put the ends of it like this. Now you can take the beetroot and then cut them into thin slices like this. Spread it and put it on the downside of the tomato, and here we are making the lanterns. So now put it like this, make its handle on the top, and your lanterns are almost ready. I hope you liked it. You can use different color of fruits and vegetables to decorate your plate and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.